In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create FAQs in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable page that helps people find answers fast, without clutter or confusion. Start by creating a new page in the space where you want your FAQ to live. Click Create, then give the page a clear title like FAQs or Support FAQs. Confluence automatically formats the page title as Heading 1, so there's no need to add another H1 in the body. Keeping the title simple and obvious makes your page easier to search and reuse later. Next, structure your content with categories. Use Heading 2 for each main section. Common sections include account and login, billing, technical issues, and general questions. These H2 headings act like visual anchors, so readers can quickly scan and jump to the part they care about. Consistent headings also make future updates straightforward. Now add your questions using the expand macro. Place your cursor directly under a category heading type, /expand, and select expand. Enter the question as the title of the expand. Then write the answer in the body of that expand section. This collapsible format keeps the page tidy and lets readers open only what they need, which is especially helpful on long FAQ pages. Quick note before we continue. If you need access to Confluence, you'll find a link at the very top of the description. Use that to get to the website and follow along as you build. Let's walk through a simple example. Under Account and Login, create an expand titled, How do I reset my password? In the body, explain that users can select Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the email instructions. Under Billing, add, Where can I download my invoice? And note that invoices are available under Account, then Billing. For technical issues, add, The system is slow. What should I do? And suggest refreshing the page, clearing the browser cache, or trying again later. Under General Questions, add, How do I contact support? And direct users to the support portal or your organization's standard support email based on your company's process. To keep your FAQ effective, follow a few best practices. Use H2 for main sections so your structure is clear. Keep one question per expand to avoid confusion. Write short, direct answers that address the core issue. Avoid nesting expands inside each other. Collapsible content inside collapsible content can be hard to navigate, and set a reminder to review and update your FAQs regularly as policies or features change. That's it. Publish your page, share it with your team, and you've got a professional, easy to navigate FAQ in Confluence. Thanks for watching.